15 years ago, we created the bizhub MFP series. But we never stand still. Today, it has been upgraded through a rigorous design and testing process. The I-Series is an MFP that delivers market-leading quality and reliability. Like all our innovative products and solutions, it was designed to solve a human problem with digital technologies. Here's the process in action. We begin our development process by putting ourselves in our customers' shoes. We survey how our customers from all around the world work today, and how their work style is likely to change in the future. We conduct interviews, build personas, and gather a complete picture of our customers' requirements. Based on these findings, a new concept is brought to life. For the new I-Series, our design vision became simplicity. Scanning and printing in a simple manner became our top priorities. With the introduction of a touchscreen application, we placed easy control of all functions right at the customer's fingertips. Constantly refining, reimagining, and re-evaluating these ideas is an integral part of our design process. Working and reworking an idea to achieve the simplicity of form from the complexity of function was at the core of the I-Series concept. Only once the entire team is agreed on the design do we move to take the prototype into production. Quality and efficiency are the drivers of our entire production process. Initial prototypes are used to test different ideas. To test the quality that will be delivered to our customers, we build our prototypes in a production line, using the same processes as our mass production lines. Parts and materials are all managed from a centralized automated warehouse. From sheet metal and CPU boards that are made in nearby facilities, to key parts produced in-house using injection molding machines and extruders. The warehouse sends each of them to the mass production line when needed, and in precisely the number required. Konica Minolta calls this production system digital manufacturing, and it makes it possible for us to reduce cost and increase efficiency at the same time. The new I-Series is an embodiment of what these digital technologies can do. Combined with our skilled technicians who assemble our final products by hand, the Konica Minolta's I-Series is distinctively unique. MFPs are highly advanced precision instruments. One sheet of paper is carried inside the body of an MFP by the motion of thousands of synchronized moving parts. Even if just a few of the parts fail to meet designed accuracy, then the expected print quality cannot be achieved. Parts such as scan mirrors, photoreceptors, and pickup lenses require special attention. That's why the automated production processes are continuously monitored by highly skilled technicians who touch, look at, and listen to the parts. Various technologies ranging from mechanics to electrical system controls and chemistry must all work in harmony with high precision. So the proportion of chemicals that make up the parts and their molding accuracy are all evaluated using a sophisticated three-dimensional measuring device. It is this human-led quality control process that ensures that every component in the new I-Series is manufactured with complete precision, which results in the best quality print and reliability in use. Prototypes must now pass even more stringent tests before going into full production. Completed prototypes are tested thoroughly under various environments and conditions to ensure they meet safety standards and provide an optimal customer experience. Radio wave emissions are checked for in one anechoic chamber, whilst audio emissions are measured in another. As many as 19 microphones helping to isolate and locate any component requiring redesign. The I-Series has been tested in both hot tropical conditions and in cold Arctic ones to ensure consistent results regardless of temperature and humidity. We wanted to keep performing at its best even when used around the clock, so that our customers will not have to experience downtime. And with customers all over the globe who rely on us, we must be able to deliver our products to them. Therefore, MFPs tested for operational reliability must now also be tested for transport durability. These tests are conducted repeatedly to ensure that our products will be delivered to our customers in perfect condition. And the unlikely scenario of the unit being dropped. Only once a prototype passes all these tests and processes do we finally begin mass production. Several years in the making, the I-Series revolutionizes the way our customers work. Its high-precision production and reliable quality will keep on empowering the growth of their businesses. bizhub I-Series. To bring you tomorrow's workplace today.
Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.